In this video, BTCUSD is viewed through a long-term Elliott Wave lens, and the idea is that price may be entering the early stages of a large corrective triangle before the next major bull leg. On this monthly BTCUSD chart, the entire move from the early cycle lows has been labeled as a multi-year impulsive advance. Cycle wave 1 and 2 are behind, and BTC is now deep into a powerful cycle wave 3 with clear internal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 structures and classic middle wave extension. The focus here is on what happens after cycle wave 3 completes. Instead of assuming a straight collapse or an immediate new parabolic run, Elliott wave theory often expects a cycle wave 4 consolidation, and triangles are one of the most common patterns at this stage of a trend. On the right-hand side of the chart, a potential contracting triangle outline for wave 4 is drawn. The first sharp decline from the peak acts as wave A, followed by a choppy overlapping recovery for wave B, with price respecting Fibonacci retracements and the long-term channel. For a triangle, the market typically rotates through A, B, C, D, and E legs, each one becoming smaller and more sideways over time. BTCUSD is treated as being in the early part of that sequence where A and B are forming, and the market is still deciding how deep and how long 4 will last before the next trend leg up. Key support area is the 0.382 region of the last big advance and the lower boundary of the long-term channel. As long as BTCUSD holds that cluster, the triangle scenario remains preferred over a full trend reversal. If the triangle plays out, once wave E of 4 completes, Elliott Wave guidelines project a strong cycle wave 5 thrust, with upside targets derived from the 1.618 and 2.618 Fibonacci extensions of prior impulses, pointing to significantly higher levels than the current market. Two things would seriously challenge this triangle roadmap. First, a decisive monthly close well below the channel support and 0.382 retracement would warn that cycle wave 4 is taking the form of a deeper flat or something more bearish. Second, if BTCUSD simply rips straight through the proposed B wave highs in a clear extended impulse without any of the sideways compression typical of triangles, the pattern would need to be relabeled as part of an ongoing impulsive structure instead of a consolidation. So from an Elliott Wave perspective, BTCUSD may be transitioning from an explosive cycle 3 into a broad cycle 4 triangle, a phase where volatility remains high but direction becomes more two-sided before the next major bull run. If this style of long-term wave mapping is useful, viewers can subscribe, like the video, and check the website for full BTCUSD Elliott Wave posts and updated charts.